She was married 20 years and relatively recently got divorced, has 4 kids. She got into a new relationship, and that relationship turned very, very ugly. He ended up being abusive to her. They had a child. After they had a child, she found out that he had other children or another child that he had not told her about, and his behavior escalated. She got an order of protection against him, got him out of the house, and he filed an action for paternity to have parenting time with his biological child. The thing is, because this woman was married within the 10 months prior to the birth of the baby, paternity is assumed to be that of the husband's. The biological dad is not on the birth certificate because of that. There are several ways to get paternity in Arizona. One of them is being married. Now, in this case, she and her husband are looking to possibly reconcile, and he is willing to be the father of this baby that is biologically not his. So legally, who has the higher claim? Is it the former husband or the biological father? The answer is going to shock you. Legal paternity and biological paternity are not the same thing. Under the statute, there are 4 ways to become a presumed father. 1, you're married anytime in 10 months immediately preceding the birth of the child. 2, genetic testing confirms a 95% probability that you're the father. 3, a birth certificate is signed by a mom and dad for a child born out of wedlock. 4, a voluntary acknowledgement of paternity signed by both parents. So in this case, husband is number 1. He was the husband in the 10 months before the baby was born. Bio dad is number 2, genetic testing. He's the bio dad. And husband and mom are going to sign a voluntary acknowledgement of paternity. Then that father, her former husband, who she also shares 4 children with, will become the legal father of this child.